Just going to show you a little bit of that ease of access stuff that I mentioned re the computer. So easiest thing to do is just go to your search bar here, put ease of access. There's got a whole bunch of them there, audio, different ones. So let's just put ease of access, hit that, takes you through to your settings. And here you'll find your ease of access for vision, hearing, interaction. So that's your mouse keypad or eye control. I've never done that. And you can go through and fix a whole bunch of settings up that's going to help enhance your experience if you need it, or even just to, you don't need it necessarily, but it makes it easier for you to do certain things. So have a look at that, and remember that it is there. I don't know how the closed caption things work. I'll be interested if someone can let me know how that does actually work. The thing I found is though, a lot of these things are difficult to use for me because they're just not instinctive, and you've got to add little extra things in here and there to make the most out of them. So I just showed you with the iPad how simple some things are. I actually prefer that, to use the iPad or the iPhone to do certain tasks rather than the computer version when it comes to changing some of the accessibility features. Okay, let's move on.